Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, today I would like to show you our study on natural ventilation performance and flight design at Banda Aceh. Flight are one of the solutions to housing problem faced by all countries in the world, especially developing countries like Indonesia. Ventilation problems often occur in some vertical housing due to non-optimal layout and lack of opening in each unit. The cheapest solution is to optimize the natural ventilation to expediting air circulation from inside to outside. The purpose of this study is to review natural ventilation performance in flight design at Banda Aceh. Natural ventilation offers healthy and comfortable air circulation without additional energy. The research method used is the observation method with descriptive survey. This research began with a field study on the flat building, then analyzed the building design and compared the existing condition with theoretical study. The analysis is more emphasized on the existing opening condition and other design elements that influence natural ventilation performance. The flats in this study are rental flats managed by the Banda Aceh City Government located on Ramasatya, Perduati, Putrajaya, Banda Aceh. This flat consists of 4 residential blocks. The performance of natural ventilation is affected by the building layout and orientation, the opening location, the opening dimension, the opening type, and the airflow controller. This building has been arranged parallel to the direction of the site. The parallel structure is not effective for the use of wind in humid tropical climates such as in Indonesia. However, these flat residential units are placed in the part that is directly facing the airflow, so that air can be accessed by residential area. The building was also designed using courtyard and voids as a separator between the residential unit room. Courtyard and void also function as a path for air circulation horizontally and vertically. Each residential unit has been designed by optimizing cross-ventilation system, but the location of the inlet and outlet of the wind does not face frontally. Therefore, the wind does not move directly toward the outlet and result in non-optimal airflow. The opening dimension found in the slide do not meet the specified requirement 20% of floor area and 40% of wall area. Air opening available in this flat building are dominated by awning opening type. Awning opening has the ability to steam air effectively by 75%. This opening type is one type of opening that is effective for entering air into the room. In this flat design, use a lot of design element that has a function to control the airflow to enter the residential unit. The column R is in the flat is prominent than the wall used for room. This can direct the flow of air into the unit. This also applies to the wall of the living rooms, the canopy which is located above bedroom opening, lattice and parapet walls at the hallway. Based on the result of field analysis and theoretical studies of the object of this study, it can be seen that the shape of the flat is designed to be able to maximize the natural ventilation. However, the maximum air movement cannot be felt by the occupant due to the opening dimension, which do not meet standard 20% of the floor area, 40% of wall area, and also do not meet the standard national Indonesia requirement for public housing to provide for fixed ventilation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.